All right, got another financial freedom. Um, didn't have one yesterday, but today we are back. Gonna keep going over some trends and some news. Eventually we'll get back on the stock options type stuff. But yeah. So over the last 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, Tesla had their dip. They were over 1,000. They were a little bit over 1,000. They dipped. I think the 15th all the way to 899. Now they're at 1,200. So, big. And if you got in on that dip, which was a very smart move, you made you some money. Tesla's going to continually go up. I personally believe they are said to possibly be able to make the $2 trillion market capitalization within the next 2 years. Tesla's going to be huge. Tesla's a leader in EV and all that. So keep looking at Tesla. Apple, and other news, Apple was the first company in history to reach a $3 trillion market capitalization. Apple's the biggest company out here. One of the greatest companies of all time. They know what they're doing over there. We'll just say that. Watch the rising gas prices. You see your gas is probably going up. We've talked about it a little bit. And what other factors that has. We talked about, alternatives, electric, things like that. But California, obviously, you guys will hit the worst for those gas prices. But keep looking at that. Biden launches a plan to get fair prices on meat. So the meat market we'll see what happens with that. But he is fighting for fairer prices. TSM, the semiconductor stock, it surged on the first day of trading in 2022. That's been something that's been going up for sure. They do semiconductors for a lot of electronic devices, electronic vehicles. TSM is pretty good. Is a very good stock to look at. I think it's around 4. No, that might have been Lucid. I know Lucid, I think, was around $40. I'm forgetting exactly per share what TSM is, but definitely check that out. Some of the biggest anticipated IPOs: VinFast, Mobileye, Flipkart, Automation Anywhere. I know they have some robot stuff or whatnot, and then Reddit. Reddit is Reddit will be big, and Reddit will be something I definitely get in on. Because I spend more time on Reddit than I do any other social media site. I think it's a pretty good place. That's still a little low key for maybe the average person. Bitcoin could go to 100,000. No super news there. It's on a little dip right now. I think it's 46,000, something like that right now. But Bitcoin will hit 100,000 most likely in the somewhat near future. If so, Ethereum's gonna go up. I'm a big Ethereum believer. Ethereum will go up a lot. I think at least Ethereum will go up to where Bitcoin is now, and Bitcoin will move up. They're the big dog out there. But I like the smart contracts and stuff that Ethereum and applications Ethereum provides. But one is in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, again, like Tesla had a slow dip. Bitcoin's in a little dip. I think in the last week or two, they're down $3,000. So take that in consideration. There's some other semiconductor. We talked about TSM. Some other semiconductor stocks to watch: Marvell, Wolfspeed, Broadcom, Qualcomm are some good ones to look at. Crypto, commodities, coffee. Those boomed in 2021. I don't see them slowing down too much, and really look into those. Really look into those. Other things that are affecting 2021. We talked about inflation, COVID, interest rates. So kind of try and filter in as much as that information is when you're looking at stocks and you're looking at options. Circumstances and all that. Filter it in. Look at the chart. Okay, this is around that time. Filter it in. And the FDA authorized the COVID pill amid Omicron dominance. Trying to get it to kids. Chicago just set a vaccine mandate. Watch Pfizer. Watch Pfizer. Alrighty, that's it for this episode. Little short episode today. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys are getting in on, and let's build this community up.